On a bright Monday morning, Kevin sat at his desk, determined to achieve an ambitious goal: make $500 in 3 days using only ChatGPT. He spent the weekend brainstorming ideas, but now it was time to put a plan into action. A tech-savvy college student with a flair for creative solutions, Kevin was no stranger to gig economy apps and online work platforms. However, using ChatGPT as his sole tool was new territory. Excited yet slightly apprehensive, he began his journey by researching the latest trends in digital content creation and online marketing. Day one started with Kevin exploring freelancing websites. He rapidly discovered a demand for blog posts on a diverse array of topics. Drawing upon ChatGPT's capabilities, he crafted engaging articles for multiple clients, writing about subjects like travel destinations, tech gadgets, and lifestyle hacks. Although time-consuming, he managed to deliver several quality pieces by the end of the day, raking in $150. On day two, Kevin decided to diversify his income streams. He joined online forums and social media groups, offering to write personalized poetry and stories for special occasions. Soon, he began receiving requests for birthday poems, anniversary tributes, and even motivational tales. Utilizing ChatGPT's linguistic prowess, Kevin swiftly produced heartfelt compositions that resonated with clients. By sunset, he had accumulated an additional $200. Knowing he was close to reaching his goal, Kevin tackled day three with strategic precision. Remembering articles he'd read about affiliate marketing, he sought opportunities where he could leverage ChatGPT to create compelling sales copy for products like ebooks and tech gadgets. Through careful outreach and negotiation, he managed to secure partnerships that paid commission. Ending the day with a final earnings boost of $150 from affiliate sales, Kevin triumphantly reached his target. Reflecting on the experience, Kevin realized that the endeavor wasn't just about earning money. It had taught him the potential of AI tools and the importance of resourcefulness. By creatively harnessing ChatGPT's strengths, he had successfully navigated the challenges and emerged victorious. His journey underscored the limitless possibilities of technology when matched with human ingenuity.